Welcome back to Wonder Garden channel. Many people often wonder what to do when the orchid has finished blooming, whether to throw it away or replant it so that the plant continues to bloom in the following seasons. Don't worry, today I will share with you an extremely simple way to replant the orchid after it has bloomed. The special thing is that we will make use of familiar ingredients right in the kitchen, both easy to find and safe for the plant. With just a few small steps, you will see your orchid revived with strong roots, shiny green leaves, and especially it will continue to produce flowers regularly, brilliantly, just like when you first bought it. Be sure to watch the entire video so that you can plant and take care of your orchid pot by yourself, turning a small corner in the house into a lively space. Let's get started. This is an orchid that had already finished blooming and was left forgotten in a corner of the shop. I bought it at a clearance price of just $1. Quite surprising, isn't it? Although its leaves were bruised and its stem had a few damaged spots, orchid lovers know that as long as the roots remain healthy, the plant still has a chance to recover and bloom again in future seasons. The first step to revive this orchid is to remove all the moss medium still clinging around the base. Getting rid of the old medium is crucial because moss tends to hold moisture for a long time, making it easy for mold and harmful bacteria to build up and damage the roots. If it's left there, the plant won't have a clean environment to grow back. When taking off the moss, do it gently to avoid injuring healthy roots, and examine them carefully so you can trim away any damaged or rotten ones. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I will carefully use a pair of sterilized pruning shears to remove all the roots that are damaged, rotten, or have already dried up and shriveled. This step is very important because leaving those unhealthy roots behind could cause them to rot further and spread disease to the rest of the plant. By cutting them off, the orchid becomes cleaner, more ventilated, and less prone to harmful bacteria or fungi. At the same time, it allows the healthy roots to have more space and energy to grow stronger, giving the plant a better chance to recover and thrive in the coming months. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips on natural plant care, make sure to subscribe to Wonder Garden and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. After trimming away all the damaged parts, I will rinse the entire orchid thoroughly with clean water. This step helps wash off any sap that may have oozed from the cut areas, as well as remove any remaining dirt or debris on the stem and roots. By doing this, I can greatly reduce the risk of fungal growth and disease. At the same time, it prepares the plant for recovery, ensuring that its roots and tissues are in the best condition to absorb nutrients and regain strength during the healing process. After rinsing, I will let the plant rest before treating it with an organic method. To treat this orchid, I will use turmeric powder. Turmeric is a familiar ingredient in the kitchen, not only used in cooking, but also considered a kind of natural medicine that is extremely useful in plant care. I will use 1 spoonful of turmeric powder, like this, and dissolve it in about 500 milliliters of boiling water. The boiling water helps activate and release the beneficial compounds in turmeric, especially curcumin, a component known for its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. After that, I will cover the container tightly and let the solution steep for about 3 hours, giving it enough time to cool down completely. The next ingredient I will use is rice. Rice is a common staple in the kitchen, but few people know that it can also be an excellent source of nutrients for plants. It contains many polyphenols, B vitamins, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, nutrients that not only nourish the plant, but also help boost its resilience, improve root growth, and stimulate the development of flower buds. I will use about 3 small spoonfuls of rice and add them to 500 milliliters of boiling water. The boiling water helps extract the maximum nutrients from the rice, creating a nutrient-rich soaking solution. Stir the mixture well. Then, I will cover it tightly and let it rest until the water has completely cooled down. After about 3 hours, when the turmeric solution has completely cooled, I will strain out the turmeric residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This step is very important because if the powder residue is left in, it can cling to the roots and hinder the plant's gas exchange and nutrient absorption. The strained liquid has antibacterial and antifungal properties, is safe, and can easily penetrate the roots, helping the orchid recover much faster. I will dilute this strained turmeric liquid with 1 liter of water. Next, I will soak the base of the plant in this turmeric water solution for about 20 minutes. During this time, the natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds in the turmeric will penetrate the roots, helping to cleanse and protect the cut areas after trimming the damaged roots and preventing root rot. While the base of the plant is soaking in the turmeric solution, I will make use of the remaining liquid by dipping a soft cotton pad into it and gently wiping the entire surface of the leaves. Wiping the leaves not only removes dust and any insects clinging to them, but also allows the antibacterial and antifungal compounds in the turmeric to coat the leaf surfaces evenly, creating a natural protective layer. In addition, this process also stimulates more effective photosynthesis, helping the orchid recover faster and become stronger after a period of weakening. It is one of the simple care techniques that delivers very good results for the overall growth and health of the plant. I will strain the remaining turmeric water once more to ensure the solution is clear and clean, then mix it together with the rice water that was prepared earlier. I will strain the rice water in the same way, making sure to remove any grains or sediment so that the liquid is completely clear and smooth. This step is important because any leftover particles could settle on the roots and interfere with nutrient absorption or airflow. Next, I will dilute this mixture with 1 liter of clean water to lower its concentration, ensuring that the plant can absorb the nutrients easily without the risk of nutrient shock or stress. After dilution, the result is a gentle yet highly effective organic liquid fertilizer. I will use this solution to care for the orchids in my garden. I will pour the solution into a specialized watering can and apply it directly to the base of the orchid. When evenly watered around the roots, the liquid seeps into the growing medium, gradually providing nutrients for the roots to absorb. The combination of turmeric extract and rice water helps strengthen the roots, prevent root rot, and simultaneously supply the essential energy the plant needs to recover quickly. This solution is not only suitable for orchids, but can also be applied to many other plants in the garden, such as anthuriums, lilies, or even indoor ornamental plants. Thanks to its antibacterial properties and rich nutrient content, the solution helps boost plant immunity, strengthen the roots, and promote greener, shinier leaves. It is a natural, safe, and effective care method that you can easily use to nurture a variety of your favorite plants. Method 2, I will pour the solution into a fine mist spray bottle and evenly mist it over all the plants in the garden that need care. When sprayed, a thin layer of the solution adheres to the leaf surfaces, allowing the leaves to directly absorb the nutrients while also cleaning off dust and debris, creating better conditions for photosynthesis. Additionally, misting helps maintain leaf moisture, which is especially useful during hot, dry weather, keeping the plants healthy, vibrant, and full of life. After soaking for 20 minutes, I will take the orchid out of the solution and prepare to replant it in a new pot. By this time, the roots have been thoroughly cleaned and disinfected by the turmeric water, greatly reducing the risk of root rot and fungal infections. When replanting, I will gently place the orchid in the center of the pot, carefully arranging the roots so they are spread out evenly without bending, breaking, or being cramped. Then, I will add the growing medium layer by layer, pouring a little at a time and lightly shaking the pot to allow the roots to settle naturally. It's important not to press the medium too firmly, as this could damage the delicate new roots. Finally, I will cover the surface with a thin layer of dry moss to retain moisture, protect the roots, and help the plant quickly adapt to its new growing environment. After replanting the orchid in its new pot, I will immediately use the remaining liquid fertilizer to lightly water around the base. This provides the plant with extra nutrients from the start, while also creating just enough moisture for the roots to easily adjust to the new growing medium. Finally, place the plant in a well-ventilated area with gentle diffused light so it can gradually adapt to the new environment. Avoid exposing it to direct, harsh sunlight immediately after replanting, as the roots are still weak and easily damaged. Results after 3 weeks. The orchid cared for, using this method, has grown very strong and healthy. You can clearly see that the plant has adapted well to the new growing medium, with new roots beginning to sprout for nutrient absorption. While the leaves have become greener and more robust. Remarkably, a new young leaf has also appeared, signaling that the plant is recovering and thriving successfully. This demonstrates that using natural, organic ingredients can indeed bring remarkable results in nurturing and restoring plants. Not only this particular orchid, but other plants in the garden, including various orchids and anthuriums, have also shown remarkable improvements. New roots are starting to develop, giving the plants a stronger foundation for nutrient absorption, while the leaves have become glossy, firm, and full of life. In addition, some of the orchids have already begun to sprout new flower buds, hinting at a beautiful and vibrant blooming season to come. Overall, the garden looks healthier and more vigorous, clearly reflecting the positive effects of this natural care method. What do you think about this recipe and method for reviving orchids after flowering? Leave your thoughts in the comments. I'm really eager to hear everyone's experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Wonder Garden to continue joining me on more journeys of caring for plants using natural methods.